Hello everyone, Total Quality Management MCQ. First question. Dash is a technique used to gather multiple ideas about the given problem. Option B. Brainstorming. Next question. Dash is a simple graphical device to relationship between two variables. Option A. Scatter diagram. Scatter diagram is the correct answer. Six Sigma was started by Motorola in option C 1987. Option C is the correct answer 1987. Dash benefits of TPM to plant maintenance. Option A is the correct answer. Next question. Dash primary ways of benchmarking. Option A 4. Dash breakdown board category in final level of details. Option B. Tree diagram. Option B is the correct answer. Dash invented by is most widely used tool in statistical process control. SPC. Option D. Control chart. Option D is the correct answer. Dash measures all different kind of system performance variable such as efficiency, effectiveness, productivity, quality, flexibility, profitability. Option B. Process benchmarking. Option B is the correct answer. Process benchmarking. The FEMA methodology has stages. Option A. Four stages. FEMA methodology has 4 stages. RPN severity occurrence detection. Option B is the correct answer. DMAIC stands for Dash measures all kind of efficiency, effectiveness, productivity, quality, flexibility, probability. Option A. Performance benchmarking. This tool takes large amount of disorganized data and information and enables one. Option B. Affinity diagram. This tool shows the relationship between the items. Option D. Matrix extend. Option D. Matrix diagram. It extends the tree diagram a couple of levels to identify risk and countermeasures for the bottom level task. Option A. PDPC. This tool is used to plan the appropriate sequence or schedule for the set of tasks and related subtasks. Option A. Activity network diagram. It is a diagrammatic representation that illustrates the sequence of operation to be performed to get the solution of problems. Option A. Flowchart. Check sheet, also called tally sheet. Option A is the correct answer. A check sheet is used to indicate the frequency of certain occurrence. Option A true. Histogram does not involve in collection of data. Option B false. The CE diagram has unlimited application in research, manufacturing, marketing, office operation, service and service. Option A true. A control chart is the more widely used tool in statistical process control. SPC true. The objective of FEMA is anticipate failures and prevent them from occurring. FEMA priorities failures and attempt to eliminate. Option A true. Control charts for variables used for measurable data. Choose which is not type of benchmarking. Component benchmarking. Option C. Benefits of benchmarking. Dash is a diagrammatic representation that illustrates the sequence of operation to be performed to get the solution of a problem. Flowchart. Dash is also known as tally sheet. Is a form of systematic data operating, gathering and registration to get clear view of facts. Check sheet. Dash is a bar chart diagram showing a distribution of variable, showing quality. Option histogram. The dash is graphical tabular chart to list and analyze the potential cause of given problem. Cause and effect CE diagram. Cause and effect CE diagram. Dash is diagnostic tool commonly used for separating the account for a dominant share of quality loss. Pareto diagram. Next question. Dash is comparison of different features and attributes of competing products and service, also known as customer satisfaction benchmarking or customer value profiling. Process benchmarking is the correct answer. Dash is performing a financial analysis and comparing the result in the effort to assess your overall competitiveness. Financial benchmarking. Dash refers to the process of designing new products or upgrades to current ones. Product benchmarking. Dash involves observing how other complete. This refers to examining competitive position in the marketplace. Strategic benchmarking. Dash is a comparison of general practices which are common across industry sector market. Generic benchmarking. The Pareto diagram is based on the Pareto principles. True. The Pareto diagram is based on the Pareto principles. True is the correct answer. Pareto analysis is called as option C, both A and B. Pareto analysis is also called as 80/2 rules, ABC analysis. 80/20 rules, ABC analysis. Option A and B both are right. So option D is the correct answer. Both A and B. Pareto analysis can be used in wide range of situations where one needs. Pareto diagram can be constructed using option D, all of the above. Data, arranging the data, calculating the total. Data, arranging the data, calculating the total. Option D is the correct answer. All the answers are right. So option D, the right vertical axis displays the cumulative percentage. The right vertical axis displays the cumulative percentage. List the different kind of cases along the option B, horizontal axis. List the different kind of cases along the option B, horizontal axis. Dash is a graph that displays data taken over time and the variation of the data. Option A, control charts. The horizontal line remains constant. Option A, true. If a sample drawn from the process lies inside the, if the sample drawn from the process lies inside the UCL and LCL limits its mean. UCL mean upper control limit, LCL mean lower control limit. Its sample drawn from the process lies inside the UCL and LCL. UCL mean upper control limit, LCL mean lower control limit. These all questions are very important. Just to study all questions. Horizontal line remains constant. True. Control chart. Control chart is a graph that displays data taken over time and variation of data. Lists the different kind of cases along the horizontal axis. Cumulative percentage. What is cumulative percentage? The right vertical axis displays is the cumulative percentage. The Pareto diagram can be constructed using data, arranging the data, calculating the total. All the answers are right. So option D is the correct answer. All of the above. Pareto analysis can be used in wide range of situations where one needs. Option C, both A and B. Pareto analysis is also called 80/20 rules, ABC analysis. Pareto diagram is based on the Pareto principles. Option A, true. Dash is a comparison of general practices which common across industry sector. Generic benchmarking. Dash and observing how other complete. Just refer examining competitive position benchmark. Strategic benchmarking.